Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to hide videos on Android. So this is going to be a very easy one, you just need to follow the steps I'll be showing you. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up Play Store. So in Play Store, we have other options to actually install applications that we could use to hide our videos. For in this case, I'll be suggesting you to use the following applications here. So first thing, you need to search for it. So in here, just type in hide calculator and you'll be redirected to this UI. So what we are looking for here is the hide calculator that says calculator foldable here. So it's actually made by FishingNet. So let's just go ahead and click on that. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to install this one and wait for it to install. Now once installation is complete, just click on open and it's immediately going to greet you with set app password. So from here, it's going to say, please set a 4 to 8 digit password into calculator and press equals button to confirm. And just click on OK. Now from here, the first thing you want to do is you want to enter your passcode. So for example, we just want to set this to 1, 2, 3, 4 and just hit on the equals button there. And we've just confirmed our password or entered a password here. Now enter your password again and press equal to confirm the password again. So let's just click on OK. 1, 2, 3, 4 and just click on the equals button. Now here it's going to say S gallery needs access to the following permissions. Now from here, just click on next. And from here, just click on allow. Now here it's going to welcome you. Now here, just click on next again. Now here it's going to ask you or enter your password recovery questions. Now what we want to do is we want to enter our question or our answer for this question here. Now we are now inside our photo vault and video vault here. So for you to add your videos here, you just basically go to videos. Now here to add videos, just click on the plus button that you see on your screen. And you'll be able to choose a number of things here. So since we want to add our videos or hide our videos, just click on videos. And from here, you want to go to the section where you contain your videos. For example, we have the section for camera here. And we want to specifically hide this video here of the dog. Now in here, we want to both hide this one, just an example. So let's just click on move to vault. Here, it's going to ask us what type of encryption mode we want to do here. So for example, we could choose encryption and hidden. So for this example, we want to choose hidden. And here, just click on OK. Here, it's going to say 2 files were successfully encrypted. Just click on OK. And as you can see right now, we now have the 2 videos in our gallery here. Now, what do you need to do here next? So you don't have to do anything here. You've just successfully hide your videos. So just to give you an example, let's go to our gallery here. And when we go to videos, as you can see, we no longer have that video here. So let's just go here in videos. As you can see, I no longer have that 2 videos of the dog. Now in our video vault here, as you can see, we have the 2 videos. So what if you want to unhide these videos here? Just click on those 2 videos, press and hold on them. And from here, you just need to click on the unlock button that you see at the top center of your screen. And from here, you see the unhide 2 locations. So you can either choose those 2 locations, but we want to restore this to its original path. Just click on OK. And when we actually go back into our gallery, we'll be able to see that. So let's just go back here. Now in our gallery, we should be able to see that specific video. And as you can see, when we go back here, the videos are now back in our gallery. Now, for you to access your video vault there, first thing you want to do is you want to search for the calculator application that we just recently got. So as you can see, it's actually pretty discreet and people will not actually suspect this one, and they'll need to have your password or PIN to actually access those videos or those photos. So let's just go ahead and open that up. And for you to access your video vault is you just need to enter your PIN. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And to enter that, just click on the equals button that you see on your calculator. And it's going to open up your video vault. So sometimes it's going to have ads here. So be patient and just close them up. And now we've just successfully accessed our video vault. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.